Welcome to Digital Transformation for Beginners. We're here to demystify this complex topic and make it accessible for everyone. In this section, we'll introduce you to the core ideas behind digital transformation. Digital transformation is simply how technology is reshaping industries and our daily lives. It's about adapting and evolving with new digital tools. It's crucial today because it drives innovation, improves efficiency, and fosters growth across all sectors. Let's explore some foundational concepts that underpin digital transformation. Understanding key technologies like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and data analytics is essential to grasp digital transformation. From manufacturing to retail, technology is revolutionizing how industries operate, creating new possibilities and efficiencies. Now, let's look at how digital transformation influences our everyday experiences. Think about smartphones, smart homes, and online shopping. These are all examples of digital transformation in our daily lives. While offering convenience and access, digital transformation also presents challenges like data privacy and the need for new skills. Ready to embrace digital transformation? Here's how to begin. For individuals, start by learning new digital skills. For businesses, focus on integrating new tools and processes systematically. Many online courses, webinars, and books are available to deepen your understanding. Stay curious and keep exploring. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. Digital transformation is about technology's constant evolution, industries adapting, and our daily lives changing as a result. The future is digital, and understanding digital transformation is key to thriving in this ever-evolving world. Thank you for watching.